स्तोत्रराजं पठेद्यस्तु भक्त्या प्रयाणे तस्यार्थसिद्धिं विधत्ते मार्गमध्ये भयं चाशुतोषी महेश शम्भो महादेव ते।
Hi guys, this is NJ, your host on this channel. Finally the time has come when we are going to do the astrological chart analysis of all of our favorite, the god of technology, innovation, science, the person who is responsible for bringing a revamped revolution in this space travel. Yes, you got me right, I'm talking about Mr. Elon Musk. See, I couple of days back uploaded the same video in my Hindi channel as well, and just because the topic was so intriguing, and ever since I uploaded that video I've been getting lot of mails and messages from all of you people where everyone is asking me to upload the same video on my English channel as well. So here I am. We are going to first have a synopsis of Mr. Elon Musk's achievement, what makes his life so distinctive, so unique, and then we will try to find out all those signs of achievement, accomplishment, unrelenting determination in his astrological chart as well. So guys, all of those who must not be knowing much about him, first just let me tell you a little bit about his life. He was born in South Africa at just a young age of 18 or 19 years of age only. He first moved to Canada, and from Canada he moved to USA. He always had this entrepreneurship science and the science of technological geek or an innovator in his personality. Just at the age of 12 only, he designed his first video game, which he sold off for something close to $500. He co-founded PayPal, which later on he sold to eBay.com. Along with that, he was the chief architect and designer of SpaceX program. The body which became responsible, which brought revolution in the form of space travel. Because even if you have to do a comparative analysis, the space travel which used to cost NASA around $1 billion US, ever since the inception of SpaceX, the same cost was reduced to around $100 million US. Along with that, he also had this vision of designing electric cars to such an extent, because initially people used to have this inhibition in their mind. They used to have this notion that electric cars cannot be as fast, cannot be as savvy, as efficient as their counterpart petrol and diesel cars. So he even gave a very vehement, a very strong reply to all of his critics with the launch of a Tesla car as well. And we all know about his obsession with the planet Mars, of sending so many people to the planet Mars by the year 2025, 2030, and we all have seen all those videos where he was smoking marijuana during an interview, and his tweets. So all these signs of rebelliousness, technological innovation, so all of these signs, how can we see these signs in someone's astrological chart? So this is what we are going to do and have our discussion today about. So as you can see guys in your screen, so this is the astrological chart of Mr. Elon Musk. I got the details, his birth details, from the Astro Data Bank. So there has to be no discrepancy, there has to be no second thoughts in your mind, because see, the birth date is apparently, you can find that out anywhere on any of the Wikipedia, any of the social media platform. Finding out his birthplace was also not that difficult. I already told you that he was born in South Africa, and even the city I have mentioned in the description of this video. And the time of birth, there is a psychic in the Astro Data Bank who did the exact time rectification matching his personality. And once I will start telling you about his personality traits, his achievements, and all the major events which took place in his life, you will automatically see the sync of all of that in his astrological chart, giving this indication that the details on which we are working are accurate. So guys, first of all, like the way I was telling you about, that his life stands on two pillars of energy, technology, along with obsession towards Mars. So as you can see in the screen on his astrological chart, that he was born with Capricorn ascendant. Now Capricorn ascendant people tend to remain very hardworking, they are very structured, they are very organized, they are very disciplined, and more than that, on the planet sitting in his ascendant, so Mars is exalted in his ascendant. Now ascendant is what your personality is. It's about your foundation of the whole life. Now Mars, which is responsible for we are not talking about the literal planet Mars this time, because in his life you can also find the traces and sync of that as well, but right now I'm talking about the behavioral traits, because Mars is responsible for energy, determination. All those people who, no matter how much hardship they go through, but they always have this notion that I will fight back and I will sail through. So this is what we get to know from this. So Mars is exalted. Along with that, it's conjunct with Rahu. Now the special part and the distinctive part about Rahu is that if it is conjunct with a planet who is either sitting in its own sign, or if Rahu is conjunct with a planet which is exalted, so Rahu just magnifies the potential of that particular planet. So as you can see over here, Mars, which represents energy, is already exalted, and Rahu, which represents technology, which represents innovation, is conjunct and very closely conjunct with Mars. So this is what you can see, guys, over here. Now the second thing is that where the ascendant lord has gone. So in his case, the ascendant lord is Saturn, and wheresoever ascendant lord will go, the whole focus, the whole direction of the life will go on to that particular path. So in his case, you will see the ascendant lord Saturn has gone to the 5th house. Now 5th house is the house of creativity. Now you guys must be knowing it that in last year only, his SpaceX designed one very powerful rocket named Falcon Heavy, which took his Tesla car onto the space. So as you can see, like, he has always this rebelliousness and very creative way of doing things, executing business as well. And this is what the 5th house represents, where his ascendant lord has gone. And more than that, it is conjunct and with the Venus. So Venus in the 5th house is strong because it is placed in its own Rashi, in its own zodiac sign. So because of which all this creativity, all this new age, new way of doing and executing business, you can see from his astrological chart only. Third thing is, guys, if you will take a look onto his 6th house. Now 6th house is the house of healing, is the house of service. So he always has this larger than life vision in his mind, in his personality, in his business execution, business plan, which should do some kind of service to the humanity. Because whether you talk about his solar city project, whether you talk about his obsession towards the electric cars, it was all about investing more into the renewable sources of energy. So the 6th house represents all of that, and this is where his soul significator Sun is placed. So Sun is conjunct with Mercury, which is the planet which is responsible for the business and which is also responsible for your intellect. So as you can see, Sun and the conjunction of Mercury is creating very auspicious Buddha Aditya Yoga in his 6th house of service, 6th house of healing. Whenever we talk about very intuitively good with your plans, with your imagination, with your vision, so all of those things we generally see from the 8th house, because the 8th house is all about all those things which are hidden from the world. And this is where if someone's moon is present and there are no other afflicting signs in the astrological chart, in the patri of the person, so the person can have very out of the box thinking, the person can have very intuitive vision, which you can see in his life as well, and which you can see with the placement of moon, the planet responsible for his thinking, and with its placement in the 8th house. Moving ahead, guys, if you will see, the Jupiter in his astrological chart is placed in the 11th house. Now with the Jupiter, this is always being said is that Jupiter just expands the signification of the house in which it is placed, and 11th house being the house which is responsible for your your aspiration, your fulfillment of wishes, popularity, so many things we generally see from the 11th house. And just because Jupiter is placed over there, so Jupiter is expanding his visions, his goals, his dreams, his aspiration. Now imagine, guys, if someone would have this vision that okay, I'm going to send so many people to the planet Mars, I'm going to colonize the planet Mars, so everyone would have laughed at that person. Now just because of the unrelenting efforts of Mr. Elon Musk, that all of his dreams and all those things which could have been seen as impossible are coming to fruition because of his efforts. So this is all, guys, what I wanted to show you in the life of Mr. Elon Musk in the form of giving you a sync of his life, his aspiration, his achievements, and seeing the same signs in his astrological chart as well. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any further suggestions of any more people or more inspiring people on whose life you want me to do astrological video, and I will look forward to seeing your opinion and suggestions in the comment section. So I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on the science of astrology, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.
Chidanand